Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, without even starting the video, if you want to know how I got this makeup look, I'm doing another Flawlux One palette video, which will be coming out in the next couple of weeks. But, move along from that, we aren't telling secrets here. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a how to clean your beauty blender. Mine is disgusting. Look at it. The way that I do it is really quick, really easy, really cheap, but we won't tell anybody that. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's start this voiceover. So we're just going to be putting some water in a bowl, filling it up almost to the top, as you can see, and then with your beauty blender you're going to pop it in and then massage out whatever yucky blitz that you can out of there, just to get the water soaked through into the sponge. And then you're going to chuck it in the microwave. Bowl, water, sponge and all. I know it sounds really weird, trust me. You're going to chuck it in there for about a minute, even longer if you want to. This will just heat up the water to get rid of all the bacteria that is in your disgusting, yucky, gross, not clean sponge. Here's a cute little time lapse. Anyways, you take it out, as you do. Be careful that it's not too hot for your hands, because the first time I did this, I burnt my hand, and that was not fun. Look at me, like, trying to get it out without killing myself. And then, you're not gonna do that, because that's really hot, obviously. So you're gonna wait about 15 minutes before taking it out. And I went into the different bathroom, soaked a little bit of my soapy soap, and then I squeezed out every little bit of stuff that is on my beauty blender onto this piece of soap, getting the soap up all in there, getting rid of anything, making the beauty blender smell nice, all of that goodness. Yep. So let's just keep watching that. Now here I'm just getting rid of all the soap that is left over in my sponge, just soaking it and then squeezing out everything left over again and again until there's nothing left. And then you're going to take your sponge back into your sacred, holy, almost clean room, and you're going to plop it in some sun on a towel and squeeze out the water, well, as much water as you possibly can onto that towel, and leave it in the sun. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick little tutorial on how to clean your makeup sponge. Can be used on any kind of sponge. Obviously you don't want to be using it on one that is disposable, because those are not made of the same thing. So I hope this video helped you out a little bit. Even if it just gave you an idea of how to clean your makeup sponge, you don't have to follow it way by way. You probably have better products than I do. I'm just not rich, so I just use the budget stuff. I just use the easiest, cheapest, fastest way. But yeah, I hope this helped you, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!